on an aggravated battery.
How you doing? Thanks for watching. This is George here at Wicked Warnings, your #1 source for construction safety and emergency strobe lighting and automotive electrical. As you can see, we've got our good friends from Judlau OHL back in the shop. You might have seen these same looking trucks on an earlier video of ours where we did 7. We've got another 3 here in the fleet. You can see we're featuring our LED HAW Duo in white and amber. Amber in the third brake light, white in all the corners. You can see here's the front view. I apologize in advance if there's a wind noise on this video. It's quite breezy out here today. All the graphics were also done here at Wicked Warnings. As again, I said earlier, this is a white LED HAW in all 4 corners on these Classic Series 2019 Dodge Rams. These are the last of the old body style. The new body style 19s are also out now. We did a full graphics panel on the tailgate, both doors, as well as vehicle numbers. All these trucks in their entire fleet have the switch in the same spot. We went with our 3/4 inch round flat switch right underneath the headlight there. Thanks again for watching. Wicked Warnings, your #1 source for construction and emergency safety strobe lighting and equipment. Be sure to check us out online and share through your social media.